The hill. It's wet. It's wet. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We have to go to the store today. So let me open up as much as I can these blinds because the sun is not going to shine today. As much sun can come in. My lights, I have them programmed to come on, so they'll come on. And let me show you the seedlings, guys. They are doing so great, some of them. Some haven't come up. So all of these tomatoes have come up. These are different kinds of tomatoes. Each pan is a different kind of tomato. And I overseeded because I was running out of the pots. Well, no, I wasn't running out of these pots. I think I just dropped extra seeds in there by accident. But we're going to let them grow, and then we'll weed them out, and those will all be tomatoes. These are bell peppers. Haven't come up yet. Bell peppers tend to take just a little bit longer sometimes. And if you're seeing brown substance on here, I went ahead on and put some cinnamon sprinkled on top of it. Just ground cinnamon, because that helps if the gnats start forming, and I don't want all these gnats in my house. So over here, these haven't really started coming up. This is a tomato too. So far only one, so I don't know if that pack of seeds wasn't good or what. But over here, look at the zucchini. Look at it. Beautiful. Beautiful. More tomatoes. Even down here, I think it's cucumber or something. And I have everything labeled for now. Hopefully, I can keep the labels in. Even these are like cucumbers, just different kinds. Pickling, straight 8. Lemon cucumbers right here. My broccoli is even starting to come up, all up in here. And then over here, I have more tomatoes. I got squash in here too, somewhere. But what I haven't planted yet is I just added water to this. I need to add some more. Well, I won't do it today. I'll do it tomorrow. And that's how I water them. Unless this is damp, and this hasn't been, dry. This hasn't been dry, so it's no need for me to do that. I'll probably start tackling getting my pool together by the end of the month, honestly. It's a lot to do. Chickens are out, I see. And I can see my rabbits from here. Well, some of them, because that little tarp came down. But they're good. And then over here, I can see my garden. I got more tomatoes from Baker Creek. And I need to start my onion seeds. And I want to start my onion seeds indoors also. So, gotta run to the store with the family, and I'll see y'all later.
I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, oh.
So I gotta get these eggs put away, but I'm gonna do that later this week. And I also still have all of this stuff that I have to put away from the grocery store.
Want the good, want the bad, all the feelings. Want you happy and sad in between them. If there's one thing I truly believe in, ordinary love, ordinary love. I wanna oversleep in your shirt 'cause it's ours. Brush my teeth while you're taking a shower. If there's one thing I know, there is power in ordinary love, ordinary love.
Tell the people hey. Say welcome to the channel. Say welcome to the channel. She about the only one that will just squat down for me to pick her up. She's also over all of them, but I see, and I'm glad I picked her up because she'd have been in a fight. So I'm gonna have to go in the house and get some antibiotic. Now I gotta see who she been fighting. Is that why you want me to pick you up? So you could tell on them? Let me show you. Hopefully you can see it. You see right there? I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but right up in here. So I'll get some antibiotic. Who you been fighting with? Which one of them little helpers you been fighting with?
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far.
So I think because they've been fighting, I'm gonna go ahead and clip some wings today. I wasn't planning on doing that anytime soon, but now I am. So yeah, clip their wings twice. And normally what I do is block off that area right there. So I'm gonna have to go out tomorrow and get the red dot. I could not find our red dot that we use on our animals. Like when I used to breed bull mastiffs, I would use red dot if they had, injury, heals them up fast. But I don't know where it is. So what I'm gonna do is buy some red dot. Hopefully I can look at them as I'm clipping the wings to see who else might have, I'm sorry, you can't see me, who else might have injury to their body. I think I'm going to start with her because she might be the easiest, but maybe not. This is going to be the draw. I got to put my scissors so I don't stab myself. Come here, girl. Come here. I want you first so I can put you away. Gotcha. I got you. They done flew all up into my camera. Got it all crooked. Don't worry, y'all. I sanitize my stuff after I'm done. Constantly. So like I told you, see here? They have been fighting. Somebody's been fighting because old girl, she mean. Let me tell you, she picks on everybody. I don't have any sympathy for her. But this is not gonna hurt them. She just acting. Calm down. Let me get her calm first. Hold on. She know what I'm about to do. I've been putting this off because they've been flocking each other. Where you going? Where are you going? She ain't got much because this from when the last time I clipped her, she's still good. But she did get a few more, so I'll just show you on her. She don't have the full span out because you can see where I've already clipped them. So you're not hurting them as long as you stay under the wingspan here. This is not in my day for the day. It's I'm gonna put you upside down till you calm down. Right. Okay. See, I don't have any really over here to clip. Just a few right here. All right, so as I clip them, I just tuck them into this, oh Lord, they moved the phone, the camera. There we go. Move out the way. So this is a dozen eggs here plus one. So one of my eggs cracked. Whenever that happens, I put it in there, but I crack it up with my foot. That way they don't know. That way they won't be bothering their eggs when they lay them. And I just give it back to them. Because there's a lot of nutrients in there. Alright, I gotta go to the rabbits. Thanks for joining me today while I did my chores, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Prep today so you're prepared for tomorrow.
I believe in you, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, yeah. I believe in you, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, yeah. Let's stay here for a lifetime underneath the moonlight, 'cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine. In a world so full of pain, can you make it go away? Used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be young, with the love so bright. You, me, must do something